I'm going to show you a super easy way to get free traffic to your Clickbank affiliate links. This affiliate marketing method is for you if you don't want to spend any money promoting Clickbank affiliate products and you don't have a website. There are 4 steps you need to do. The third step is the most important step to make this work. If you skip this step, you will say this Clickbank affiliate marketing for beginners method doesn't work. This is a easy to follow affiliate marketing for beginners video. So do these exact steps I show in this video so that you can actually make money with Clickbank. First step is to find a profitable Clickbank affiliate product to promote. Most affiliate marketing beginners end up selecting the wrong product to promote and wonder why they are not getting any sales. So let me show you what you need to look for. Once you log into your Clickbank account, click on Marketplace. If you are a Clickbank affiliate marketing beginner, the first thing you need to do is select a product from these 3 categories which I am about to show you. They are known to be profitable overall: e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, and self-help. For the purpose of this video, I am going to choose health and fitness. Then sort results by gravity. Clickbank gravity is a weighted score given based on product sales. So select a Clickbank affiliate product which has a gravity over 80. Let's choose this product and I will take you step by step how to promote this Clickbank affiliate product for free. Whatever product you choose, click on promote and then add your Clickbank account nickname, and you can also add a TID which will help you identify when you get sales which affiliate marketing method has gotten those sales. Then you get your affiliate link, copy this link, and I will show you what to do with it in step 4. With this product, the average conversion is about $48. Now imagine this. If you can get 100 people to visit this sales page every day and out of that just 3 people buy, then you make over $100. Do you want to know how to get 100 people or even more to this page absolutely free? Then give this video a like and let's move on to the second step. Next, you need to go to the affiliate resource page of the product. Often they have created various types of content that you can use without any copyright issues. For example, this affiliate product has banners, social media content, articles, and much more. What you need to look for specifically are videos. Now just download a few of these videos. You see they are professionally created and look very eye-catching. Moving on to the next step is the most important step. Now I'm going to show you the website you're going to use to promote this video. No, it's not YouTube. Here you see the amount of visitors this website gets each month and look which countries those visitors are from. How would you like a small fraction of these visitors to your affiliate link? This website is called BitChute. You can create a free account. Just fill in these details and select create. Once you have created the account, on the top right, click on upload new video. Give the video an eye-catching title, one that will entice people to watch. Now in the description, this is where you're going to add your affiliate link that you got from step 1. But wait, you shouldn't add the link like this. Use a URL shortening website and make this URL a nice short one. Then paste it in the description. Now if you paste it without the HTTP part, it won't be a clickable link. So make sure that you add that as part so that people can click on the link and go to your affiliate sales page. Make sure to add a call to action which will make people click on your affiliate link. Next, upload the video you downloaded from step 2. Add an eye-catching thumbnail. You can just get a screen capture from the video itself. When you're done, click on Publish Now. But wait, there is one more thing you need to do so that you can get views to your video. It will take a few minutes for the video to be processed. Go to Settings. You need to add hashtags related to your video. Next, change the category and click on save. This is just one method to promote Clickbank products for free. I have created several other ways to promote Clickbank affiliate products in the past. Watch these next.